Hello, it's Christine Trina talking to you from New West British Canada. I'm just about to shut off for the evening, but you know what? I want to do this quick little intro for my little segment. I want to talk. I want to share. I want to share about teamwork. I want to share about working together as one, as I already shared in my title. When a team works as one, success will flourish. And I really wanted to get that out today. Anyways, in my next segment, I share some more. This is just a quick short little blip of what my next segment is all about. It's all about teamwork and how I'm starting to build my business better online with true engagement. And with true engagement, it's because I'm within a part of a beautiful community called Successful Solution Method, created by no other than beautiful Amanda Rai, amazing, beautiful woman in her own right, a six-figure earner, and knew that a lot of us newbies as well as seasoned marketers are having difficulty getting good engagement online. And through her beautiful community of Successful Solution Method, a beautiful task-based program, she's brought together some beautiful people with wonderful skills of their own right, coming together, learning as one. Because you work faster when you work together as one. So let's carry on to the next segment as I share some more, as I was outside for a while today, enjoying my afternoon off, because when you only work just 2 hours a day, you get to enjoy the rest of the time. So let's carry on to the next segment. And after you've done, stay to the end. After you've done, like and comment and subscribe and share my video out. It's a wonderful one, I must say. As well as don't forget to click on the button down below to get the next notification of my next video that's coming up tomorrow as well. Plus, my lovely friends, don't forget, I have some good information on Successful Solution Method down below in the description, as well as our Facebook group. Come join the Facebook group. Be a part of the conversation. Understand what the beauty of Successful Solution is all about. And I'm also on Facebook as well. So click on the Facebook link below as well. Come visit me. Let's have a conversation. Let's be friends. And let's continue on the good relationship of good entrepreneurs and understand what I'm doing to get my engagement top notch, because I work with a beautiful community. So my lovely friends, stay to the end of my video, and I will love to see you, talk some more with you soon as well. So do me a solid, my lovely friends, and do this. See you on the other side to success, my beautiful entrepreneurs. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hello, it's Christine Trina talking to you from New West British Columbia, Canada. I'm just going to wait a second, see if anybody can come on, because I know the Facebook algorithm, it takes a little while for people to come on. If not, I'm still going to continue my live, because I just wanted to share a few things today on this beautiful Saturday, as I share with you this beautiful day. And I'm very pleased to talk about what I want to share today, because you know what? Hey, I see somebody coming on. Hey, how you doing? It's a little bit different with Facebook these days, because you don't always see everybody, but come on and say hello. Basically, if you're watching live, hey Leanne, how you doing, girl? If you're watching live, tell me where you're tuning in from, or if you're checking out this later on today, hashtag replay, but always let me know where you're from, because I always want to see where you're from and where you're hailing from. I love that stuff. So I'm just going to share on this beautiful Saturday, and you know, I can't see. I'm going to share one thing, and I'm going to continue on, because it is my Saturday to do what I need to do in the morning, and then take the rest of the day to enjoy, right? Hey, MD, how you doing? So I want to say one thing. Okay, this is one of the shares I shared above. When a team works as one, success will flourish. Yes, when a team works as one, success will flourish. Exactly, right? And as I share with you my beautiful community here of New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada, people are out about flourishing, enjoying their day, right? I love it, guys. I love it. And of course, over here, that's my sad plants. I didn't work too well, but I'm going to work on it. My little Etta's just, maybe she's seen a bug. I don't know. Say hello, Miss Etta. Sadly, my plants, I guess my sweetie and I didn't work as well as we're supposed to do, but that's okay, because you know what? You live and you learn when you start to plant. That's okay. They don't look too bad, my plants, you know. I didn't quite get any tomatoes this year, but I have to learn. You know, I got to research and learn more things. But that's still fun to look at when I'm enjoying the time. And I'm walking around because it is sunny here on the West Coast. Because past 2 days, whoa, we had a powerful bit of rain. Whoa! But as I continue to share, I want to tell you a little story. 10 weeks ago, when I started getting frustrated online, right? And I thought, oh, I'm never going to make any money if I don't do anything. But I became part of a team 10 weeks ago. A team of beautiful people coming together. Each individual people have their own skills and strategies, and we come together as one to work together. And the reason why I want to share that today is because we each individually work our 2 hours a day in our task-based community program, right? We do our work, we work online, we do as much as we can, because I tell you one thing, if you get good engagement online, you're going to flourish even further. And when you work together as a team, hey Jonah, how you doing? You're going to do even better. Things become better. Basically, it works. You work faster when you work as one, as a team, right? It's exactly what happens, right? So I want to share this with you today is, as each one of us in this team, we are working our 2 hours each day. You know what gets to do? We get to take that time. We've done our 2 hours or so, and we get to enjoy where we are, enjoy where we live, enjoy with our families, and go to the beach, have some fun. And that's the beauty of what I'm doing right now with the platform I am, the task-based program I'm in. And you know what? Now we have, in 10 weeks, we have over 600 members. And this last week, $30,000 in payouts. Amazing, right? I love that about what I'm doing. I love that what I'm doing because I get to take that time, the 2 hours out of my day, do my work, do my engagements, which I do love the engagement I'm getting online. Merci, thank you, my lovely friends. And then now I get the rest of the day to enjoy, because I love my Saturdays, and I like to just do my work in the morning and then rest and enjoy my Saturdays. And that's all part of what I'm doing now in this beautiful task-based community program I'm in, with over 600 beautiful members, awesome, each beautiful people in their own right, as well as now we're earning $30,000 in payouts last week in commissions alone. And that's amazing, don't you think? All because we work our 2 hours a day, we work our program, simple, one-on-one, beautiful, step-by-step instructions. Simple instructions. And then we get to spend the rest of our days to enjoy with our family or friends and whatever you want to do. And that's the best part of working online, don't you think? Taking that time for yourself when you do your 2 hours a day working. I just wanted to get that out today because I believe it's true. When you work as a team, as one, success will flourish. I believe that's very true. So my lovely friends, thank you all for coming on and say hello. I just wanted to get that out because I'm going to have a nice time enjoying this beautiful day with you as I share again a beautiful part of where I live. And I just sort of go, oh man, people are out and about, cars are driving, people are flourishing on this beautiful Saturday, right? And my kitty cat, I don't know where oh, she's underneath. Where is she? She is underneath. Hello, baby. This is my baby girl. This is my baby girl. Yes, it's my baby girl. Oh, my baby girl. Oh. Be careful. I don't like her doing that so close to the railing. Give me a little spooked. Remember what I say. Thank you, baby girl. The beauty of being a part of a community where you can work just 2 hours a day and then keep moving. Hey, Colleen, how you doing, girl? And that's why I wanted to share today on this beautiful Saturday, my lovely friends. So you all have a beautiful day. And like I said before, if you're tuning in live, let me know where you're coming from. Hashtag replay for later on today when you check this out later. I love you all, my beautiful entrepreneurs. Remember this, keep rocking, keep working hard. And if you're curious what I'm sharing today, drop me at me. And I will share you the information I am anxious and proud to share today. So my beautiful friends, keep rocking. See you on the other side to success. I love y'all. Bye.